Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain tech to make your digital asset journey smoother. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Polkadot from Revolut to Phantom Wallet in 2025. With crypto regulations and apps evolving rapidly, this step-by-step guide will help you move your Polkadot tokens securely and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have both the Revolut app and Phantom Wallet set up on your device. Revolut is great for everyday crypto management, while Phantom is a top-tier wallet for assets like Polkadot. Start by opening your Revolut app and logging in securely. Step 1. Head to the Crypto section in Revolut and select your Polkadot balance. This is where you'll initiate the withdrawal process. Step 2. Tap on Withdraw or Send and choose the option for external wallets. You'll be prompted to enter a wallet address. Don't worry, we'll get to that next. Step 3. Switch to your Phantom Wallet app. Go to your wallet overview, select Polkadot, and copy the wallet address. Pro tip: always double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes, as blockchain transactions are irreversible. Step 4. Back in Revolut, paste the Phantom Wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Polkadot you want to transfer, review any network fees, which might be lower in 2025 with improved tech, and hit Confirm. Step 5. Once confirmed, sit back and wait for the transaction to process. Depending on network congestion, this could take a few minutes to an hour. In 2025, expect faster speeds thanks to upgrades like Polkadot's scalability features. Finally, open your Phantom Wallet to verify that your Polkadot tokens have arrived. Congrats! You've successfully withdrawn your assets. Remember, crypto security is key, so use two-factor authentication and keep your private keys safe. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy out there.